Have you ever found yourself lying awake in bed at night, staring at the ceiling, wondering why sleep feels so far away? You close your eyes, turn on one side, then the other, adjust your pillow for the 10th time, but nothing seems to help. The hours crawl by, and when you finally drift off, it feels like just moments before the sun rises again. If this sounds familiar, you're not alone. After 60, so many people struggle to get a full night's rest, even if they've never had trouble sleeping before. It can be frustrating, exhausting, and even a little scary when your body just won't cooperate the way it used to. As we get older, our sleep patterns naturally change. Your body produces less melatonin, your circadian rhythm shifts, and suddenly, what used to be simple, falling asleep and staying asleep, feels like a daily challenge. You might wake up several times in the night, toss and turn for hours, or find yourself wide awake at 3 a.m. wondering how you're going to make it through the day ahead. And if you've tried sleeping pills, herbal teas, or fancy relaxation gadgets with little success, you might be wondering if there's anything natural left that actually works. That's where something surprising and simple comes in. Something you probably already have sitting in your kitchen right now. An ordinary onion. It might sound strange at first, but onions have been used for generations as a natural way to promote deep, restful sleep. This isn't some new fad or untested internet trick. It's an old, time-tested remedy that's now backed by modern science, showing just how powerful this little bulb can be for calming your nervous system and helping you sleep soundly. The secret lies in the natural compounds inside onions. They're rich in antioxidants and sulfur compounds that work like tiny messengers, signaling your body to relax and letting your brain know it's safe to rest. For seniors especially, whose sleep cycles tend to get more fragile, these natural compounds can make a world of difference. The best part, it doesn't involve complicated recipes, expensive supplements, or anything unnatural, just a few simple ways to use onions to gently guide your body back into deeper, more peaceful sleep within a few nights. Imagine this: instead of lying awake feeling frustrated, you drift off naturally, your breathing deepens, your mind quiets down, and you wake up in the morning feeling refreshed for the first time in weeks, maybe even months. It's possible, and it starts with something as simple as how you prepare your evening routine with onions. One of the easiest and most effective ways to use onions for better sleep is through natural aromatherapy. When you cut into an onion, it releases certain compounds into the air that help calm your nervous system. It might seem odd, but people for centuries have placed freshly cut onions near their beds to help them relax and breathe easier at night. If you've ever noticed how soothing the aroma feels when you're cooking, that's no coincidence. Your body naturally responds to these compounds in a way that lowers stress hormones and signals your brain to prepare for rest. But the benefits don't stop there. There's also a simple warm onion infusion that can work wonders for seniors struggling with sleeplessness. By gently simmering sliced onions in water and sipping it like a mild evening tea, you allow your body to absorb key compounds that support melatonin production and relaxation. It's a gentle, natural approach that helps your body wind down without depending on pills or harsh sleep aids. And if you've been dealing with restless nights because of anxiety or racing thoughts, this remedy can be even more powerful. The natural compounds in onions don't just help your body relax, they can also calm the mind, easing tension and helping you slip into a state where deep rest comes naturally. When you think about it, sleep is one of the most important gifts you can give yourself, especially after 60. Your body needs it to repair, your mind needs it to stay sharp, and your heart needs it to stay healthy. Yet so many people in their later years struggle silently, thinking poor sleep is just part of getting older. But it doesn't have to be. Sometimes the simplest solutions are the most effective, and nature has been giving us these tools all along. We just have to know how to use them. In just a moment, I'm going to share another way onions can help improve your nighttime rest, one that goes beyond aroma and tea, helping create the perfect environment for your body to settle into deep, uninterrupted sleep. Think about the last time you truly slept deeply. The kind of sleep where you didn't toss or turn, didn't wake up in the middle of the night, and opened your eyes in the morning feeling lighter, calmer, and full of energy. It might feel like a distant memory, but it doesn't have to stay that way. Sometimes restoring your natural sleep rhythm isn't about forcing your body to shut down, it's about gently guiding it back to balance. And that's where this next onion trick comes in. One that's been quietly passed down in homes for generations and is now helping countless seniors finally reclaim their rest. This method works by using the natural oils and compounds in onions to stimulate relaxation through your senses, and the placement of the onion matters more than you think. Many people over 60 swear by placing half of a freshly cut onion near their bedside table before sleeping. As the onion rests overnight, it slowly releases mild sulfur compounds into the air. These compounds act almost like nature's signal to your body. They ease tension, regulate breathing, and create an environment where falling asleep becomes easier and staying asleep feels natural. Now, if you've never tried this before, I know it might sound unusual. An onion on your nightstand isn't exactly what you'd expect when thinking about peaceful sleep. But think about it this way. Before modern sleep aids, people relied on natural remedies to manage restless nights, and many of those remedies are still surprisingly effective today. Science has since discovered that these natural onion compounds can help lower stress levels and promote the production of serotonin. That's your feel-good hormone, which your body then converts into melatonin, the key hormone that regulates your sleep cycle. For seniors especially, whose melatonin production tends to decline with age, this natural boost can make a significant difference in just a few nights. The beauty of it is that there's nothing artificial involved, no pills, no chemicals, no groggy side effects the next morning. It's simply letting nature work in harmony with your body. Another powerful approach involves combining onions with warmth, specifically, a simple onion compress. This method has been used in traditional wellness practices for hundreds of years to ease tension and prepare the body for rest. Here's how it works. You take a small onion, warm it slightly, wrap it in a soft cloth, and place it gently on the soles of your feet before bedtime. Why the feet? Because they're packed with nerve endings that are connected to your entire nervous system. When the warmth and natural oils from the onion interact with these points, it sends calming signals throughout your body, helping you unwind faster. Many seniors who've tried this technique report not only falling asleep quicker, but also staying asleep longer. And if you've been dealing with nights where you wake up multiple times and struggle to drift off again, this gentle soothing method might be exactly what your body has been craving. There's also an unexpected bonus here. Using onions in this way can help naturally detoxify the body, which may leave you feeling lighter and more energized when you wake up. I want you to imagine this for a moment. It's late evening, and instead of dreading another sleepless night, you've prepared your space intentionally. The soft aroma of a freshly sliced onion fills the air just faintly, calming your senses. You've warmed a small onion compress and placed it at your feet, feeling that gentle heat relaxing muscles you didn't even realize were tense. Your breathing slows, your thoughts soften, and without even realizing it, your body begins to surrender to rest. It's not forced, it's not stressful, it just happens. And here's something many people don't realize: restful sleep isn't just about closing your eyes, it's about what's happening in your mind, your body, and even your environment. If you've ever felt like your nights are restless no matter how tired you are, it's likely because your nervous system hasn't been given the right signals to fully relax. Onions, as strange as it may sound, are one of nature's gentle ways of sending those signals. But we're not stopping there. There's yet another onion-based technique, one that's even simpler but incredibly effective, which can help regulate your internal clock, reduce nighttime anxiety, and deepen your sleep naturally. Now let's take this one step further, because for many people over 60, the challenge isn't just falling asleep, it's staying asleep through the night without waking up restless or anxious. That's where this final onion technique can make an incredible difference, especially when combined with the methods we've already talked about. This one is beautifully simple yet surprisingly powerful: drinking a warm onion-infused bedtime tonic. Don't worry, it's not as harsh as it sounds. By gently simmering a few slices of onion in water for about 10 minutes, you create a mild, soothing drink that helps relax your nervous system from the inside out. Strain the liquid, add a teaspoon of honey if you'd like, and sip it slowly about 30 minutes before bed. Why does this work? Inside onions are natural compounds called quercetin and sulfur-rich antioxidants, which have calming and anti-inflammatory effects. Together they help lower cortisol, the stress hormone that often spikes at night as we age, while gently nudging your body to produce more melatonin, the hormone that signals it's time to sleep. For many seniors, this warm drink becomes a nightly ritual, something that not only prepares the body for rest, but also creates a moment of peace and mindfulness before bed. And here's the thing, once your body starts receiving these natural signals consistently, something amazing happens. Your sleep cycle begins to reset itself. Nights that used to feel long and endless slowly become shorter, calmer, and more restorative. Waking up groggy and drained turns into waking up with clarity and energy. It's not magic, it's just helping your body work the way it was always meant to. I've heard countless stories from people in their 60s, 70s, even 80s, who'd spent years trying sleeping pills, melatonin supplements, and herbal teas with little success. Then within just 3 nights of trying these simple onion methods, placing the onion near their bed, using the warm compress on their feet, and sipping the tonic before sleep, they finally experienced uninterrupted rest for the first time in years. It's always the same reaction: disbelief, relief, and a sense of hope they thought they'd lost. But beyond the techniques themselves, there's something even more important here. Better sleep isn't just about avoiding exhaustion the next day, it's about improving every part of your life. Deep, restorative rest helps your heart, your memory, your mood, and even your immune system. It gives you the energy to enjoy your mornings, connect with your loved ones, and pursue the things that bring you joy. And you deserve that: peaceful nights, brighter mornings, and days that feel lighter. You've spent so many years caring for everyone else, and now it's time to care for yourself too. If you've been struggling night after night, I want you to know there's nothing wrong with you. Your body isn't broken, it just needs a little help remembering how to rest. Nature has always offered us gentle tools, and sometimes the simplest ones, like the humble onion, turn out to be the most powerful. So tonight, give yourself permission to try it. Slice an onion, place it near your bed, prepare that warm tonic, and let your body feel what it's like to relax again. Allow yourself to breathe deeply, surrender to the moment, and trust that your body knows what to do when given the right signals. And if this video has given you even a spark of hope or something new to try, don't forget to subscribe to Senior Thrive. Here we share gentle, natural wellness tips designed especially for people over 60, from sleep remedies and energy-boosting foods, to simple habits that make aging feel lighter and more joyful. Tap the like button, share this with someone who needs a restful night, and let us know in the comments if you'll be trying this onion trick yourself. Remember, peaceful nights aren't behind you, they're waiting for you. You're never too old to sleep deeply, wake up refreshed, and thrive each day. Your journey to better sleep can start tonight, and I promise, your future self will thank you. If this helped you, give it a like. It lets us know we're on the right path and helps others find these tips too. Sharing is caring. Pass this video along to a friend or loved one who's been struggling to sleep.